Hello. New day. Probably not gonna reinstall the engine and fresh clutch today. We're gonna take advantage of the empty bay to do the new steering rack, fix up the exhaust, and throw in some of our new bushings. We got the exhaust unbolted here. Oh. Woo! Okay. That's all we had left. Some nice fence post. Front O2. And our ceramic coated headers are actually holding up great. They got oil on them, they got coolant on them, ran them really hot. And the coating's not scratching, peeling, failing, or fading, anything. Pretty cool. So obviously we had a massive leak here. And just about everywhere else. So we're gonna get this thing fixed up. I'm not too sure what we're gonna do, but make it so it comes out the back of the car properly. Maybe retain a cat, we'll see, but have something that sounds a little less like a tractor. We'll get that done though once do a couple more things in here, so that'll wait a little while longer. I'm gonna get the steering rack in first and a few other things. Now that we got the exhaust out of the way, can move on to the steering rack, pull the old one out, and then I'll have to start figuring out which set of lines, if I'm gonna use the fresh set of STI lines that we got, or just reuse the OEM ones, depending on which pump we're gonna run. Because the STI lines, just the way the hard line comes out, it won't fit on the old power steering pump, the original NA one. So I've got a bit of I pulled out the arsenal here, all the pumps I have. So I'm gonna figure out which one will work best for our application. Trying to cut this bolt out, not a lot of room. Ended up nicking the line. Mint. Woo! Well, that wasn't easy. But we got her out. Managed to swing it without having to take out the U-frame, which was a huge pain in the ass. We'll see if I'll be able to put the new rack in without pulling it, but kind of doubt it, so it might have to come out anyways. But for now, oh yeah, I'm not quite done. I still have to take care of that captive nut that's broken and the bolt that's still in that mount there. Okay, so I've tried smashing the hell out of this thing. That's the broken bolt, bell housing bolt. I tried smashing it both ways, in and out, and it's in there kind of cockeyed. So when it hits the threads, they grab in the casing, and it goes nowhere. So I'm gonna have to drill that guy out at least partially before it gets smashed out. Managed to punch it out. The biggest of the punch and the hammers. Missed the moment of victory, but there was a lot of tension under it. Well, I didn't drill straight, that's for sure. Got all that corrosion. That's why you clean up your bolts before you put them back in. Anyways, it's out now. Now, on to the next fun project. I snapped, while trying to take the steering rack out for the new one, I snapped the two front bolts that hold it in underneath the subframe, and they have captive nuts. This bolt had snapped. That's captive nut. The welds broke, so I'm not too sure how I'm gonna fix those. I might have to chop up the subframe so I can access underneath. Might only have to do that on one side. This one for now I'm going to try and cut the head off and drill that bolt out better than I did here. Just making chips. Well, I've drilled clean through this sucker. I installed my system over here. Basically goes in my hand now, you don't even need to hammer it. But I will anyway. This one's putting up a good fight. This is what victory almost looks like. He's got that wiggles. Hello. Oh, it landed on me. That's like pulling out a big booger from the back of your brain. There we go. And look at this little bastard.
So I'm trying to take the cover piece off the back of the drive shaft so I can pop it down and slide it out, and then make my way over to the shifter bushings. There's one bolt in, so just bend it and rotate it out of the way. And there's the drive shaft. Blocked by my elbow. That was a nice save. I hope you got that on slow-mo. That nearly took my teeth out.
Once a goalie, always a goalie. Where to next?
Now I have nice, great access to our lovely shifter bushings.
I can get some light on there.
Look at that. That's just, you know.
Oh wow, look at that.
It's off the Titanic, but, you know, it's OEM. Yeah, it's pretty haggard. There we go.
Wow.
So then the new GNP bushing will just replace this whole system right here.
Awesome. Really, really happy we're getting rid of those old janky ones.
Just have to lube this guy up because they're pretty notorious for being hard to put over this nub, but thankfully we've got some rust on there that makes it a little smaller. The front one's a bit...
That nub looks a little swollen to me, I don't know.
more difficult. Alright, we're about to put our rear shifter bushing in from Great North Performance. It's a nice polyurethane system here with some upgraded hardware. It's a pretty easy install. I just got some lithium grease on my finger. And some anti-seize, of course.
Damn, where'd you pull that anti-seize out of?
Just got it on deck, brother.
The mystery bin.
It's gotta be good to go all the time.
It is good to go. You know what's not good to go? This whole system right here.
It's a stout system.
We've never had this thing more disassembled than it is tonight.
That's because we've never disassembled.
We got the power unit on the ground. And we got the exhaust out. We got the power steering out. Brett just took the friggin' drive shaft out. We got half the mounts out from underneath. There's lots of stuff missing here. Oh, wow. I think I hit a rock with the creeper. Oh, that's a definite flat tire for the old creep. Oh, well, hello.
Oh, she might feel a little tough. They are very tough to put on.
Easy install, though.
It's an easy install.
Yeah, when you're not the one doing it.
Yeah, you just slap that system right
Just
on.
slap that
Boom.
sucker right in, and
That joint's good to go.
yeah. So this is the part where we cut, and then we cut back in with the thing
Yeah,
installed.
it'll be installed in a second.
And cut. Or the shifts are gonna be real crisp.
Oh yeah.
Just
Ooh, that was butter.
Just a couple quick taps and she's on.
It's just.
Oh no, wait, we're cutting. We're cutting to full install. Right.
Well, no, you can cut to here where I'm just like, yep, and she's installed.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I'm definitely not cutting that out now.
Just gotta put it in first.
Nice flow, dude. Look like a mermaid.
You jealous?
Been there. Oh, dusty. Oh, the
Dude, I'm
rubber.
just trying to get the beef back up in there.
The roast beef.
Yeah.
The dangly bits.
There we go. Deal with that.
That whole deal up there, dude. This is time for retirement.
Yeah, that was a tired old piece from its streetcar days.
Tired old roast beef.
This is a title of this video: How to make a streetcar into a race car. You just put bushings on it.
All right, which one's next?
The front.
Oh, some wild barb has appeared. Look at that. I think I know where that's from.
Just pull out of there.
Trans-cross member bushings. And this is why you get some nice ones if you care about drivability. Because even though ours were in good shape, look how floppy those are.
Bad system right there. These are stiff.
Perfect. Ooh, brother, are those Oakleys?
Blue frames, buddy. Limited edition. That guy up there. Put this guy in there.
Spontaneous intro.
Spontaneous intro. Just pick up where we left off. We're trying to install these drive shaft carrier bearing bushings from GNP. They're billet aluminum. And they replace the factory rubber ones, which I don't know, don't do much. But they're pretty easy to get out. Just knock it like that.
Yeah, it's like you've done this before. Boom.
And then our new ones will go right in just like this.
Bink. Easy.
Easy.
They get held in with a bolt once they're under the car.
Yeah.
For clarification.
Rusty.
Yeah.
Alright, right now I got my PPE on, all donned up, and I'm going to talk about our drive shaft bushings. So this is the stock piece right here, and these rubber joints don't have aren't too hot. So this is a new piece. It's got polyurethane bushings from GNP, and these stiff up your whole drivetrain so your diff isn't moving around. So when you shift or when you launch the car, don't get a lot of movement in the drivetrain, and it firms everything up and helps with some launches so you can get a better 60 foot if you're into that, and better ET times. Roll right now.
That's some real wrenching.
Woo! I was like, I'm not taking these axles out.
Oh!
Self-removal!
The a bit of contraption going. Money. Look at that. Bullseye. Woo! Look at that fresh system.
It's a good rally system right there. No question.
That's, one might say, that's a rally good system. Fresh bushings in. Fresh powder coat. A powder coat a day keeps the doctor away.
Just gonna throw the drive shaft back in and barrier bearing bushings. A little bit of dirt on the end.
Look at those little red boys.
There. That's it.
Cool.
I know.
You got a runaway billet boy. Pop. Behind you. Damn, she bright. Oh. Damn. That's a weapon. Should probably put some bolts in here sooner than later. Nice. That's nice and sturdy.
Alright, another thing done. Bye-bye bushings.
Sweet.
No, that's why. Can you see?
Yeah. I got the light on you there, Super Chief.
I gotta figure out what kind of angle to take this deal at. This Johnny.
This Johnny. Oh, you gonna get that Johnny out of there?
I'm just gonna pop this unit out of here. Yeah, just pop this unit right out.